Hi everyone, I'm quickly going to have a quick review about week 3 of ISB's leadership in AI program. This particular week was all around having AI again as an augmentation to human, right? Where humans are not getting replaced by AI, but the overall idea is where AI will empower humans with a stronger data insights, which can enable them to make a faster and an efficient decisions. While this is a reinforcement of what we learned in first 2 weeks, I think the trajectory moved upward when we started to learn about AI maturity model. This maturity model has 5 phases within it. The first phase is around awareness, where people get to understand what it is and what AI can or cannot really do. So that's more on education part of it. The phase two is around active or an experimentation part, where you actually do some pilots and see what is really feasible and what are the challenges and blockers in the way, or what are the risk and mitigations in the problem statement that you're looking at. Next is operational, where you actually move things to prod and see that the POC or the pilots have really worked. Systemic is the phase 4, where you actually start building products which are of a business value and it can really empower the organization. And fifth phase, where the real value comes in, is the transformational phase, where you actually have AI embedded across all the divisions or all the business functions that you have. So that's the phase where we want to be. Does it really end there? No, there is constant evolution, and we keep redefining, as we know that AI itself is on an evolution path. Every year we see a lot of changes and dynamic ways in which AI is improving its efficiency. So I think that is where the transformation will be continuous. There was a lot of underlying emphasis on this. At the same time, the next thing that came in was about the trade-offs or the limitations that AI brings in. One such limitation or a trade-off being around the black box or the explainability about the predictions that an AI makes. With the neural networks, while it may learn a lot, do we have really a clear pathway of why prediction A was made or prediction B was made? No, right? And that's where a human in loop will consistently be important, because at the end, with our own experience, we have to identify what makes right sense, and from there pick the right decisions. So overall, AI is here to augment or amplify the way human works. And if done right, it will empower us to do our jobs more efficiently, more empowered, and more quickly. So that's the essence of week 3 at ISB's leadership in AI program.